Osteospermum is absolutely beautiful. Now, many of us have grown these over years, but this particular one, Purple Sun, is what's known as it's a colour break. So what's happened is the plant breeders have managed to create a colour combination that's never been seen before. And the name of this, I think, is absolutely typical of the way the flower looks. Now, you can absolutely imagine how this colour combination would look in your garden. The beautiful purple centre radiating out to that gorgeous sunshine shade on the outer edges of the petals as you move slightly further out is just breathtakingly beautiful. So I would have this on my patio in containers, maybe get 3 plants just on their own in a statement pot looking incredible, and they'll form a dome of beautiful flowers all the way through the summer months. Put them somewhere sunny. They absolutely love sunshine. And in fact, if you want to, you can plant these in your beds or borders, but put them towards the front because they're going to grow to around about 12 to 15 inches tall. So forming a beautiful mound of foliage, and that foliage being covered in buds and flowers. They're dead easy to grow, although it looks somewhat exotic. It looks a bit tropical because of the colour combination, but don't be mistaken. This is an easy to grow plant outdoors here in the UK, and pretty much anywhere south of Birmingham, you've got a really good chance of this overwintering successfully. Pick a well-drained spot, pick a south-facing sunny border, or if you've got them in patio pots, you can of course move them into somewhere a bit sheltered during the worst of the winter, but this will look incredible. It's a really high quality, classy, stylish looking plant in a colour combination that's never been seen before. So if you want something that's breathtaking, that's outstanding, that will create jealousy among your gardening friends, grow this beautiful Osteospermum.